Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn one very common Arabic word. You will hear it every day when you speak with Arabs. The word is inshallah. Many people translate it but they don't really understand how we use it. So today I will explain it simply with examples. The word inshallah means if God wants. In Arabic, we use it when we talk about the future. It shows that the future is not 100% in our control. So when we say inshallah, we mean I hope this will happen. Now let's see how Arabs really use inshallah. Example 1. I will see you tomorrow inshallah. This means yes, I plan to see you tomorrow. Example 2. I will call you later, inshallah. This means I want to call you, but maybe something will happen. So, inshallah is very common in daily conversations. Now, something very important. Sometimes, inshallah does not mean yes. It can mean maybe, I am not sure, or even politely no. For example, you ask someone, will you come tomorrow? He answers, Inshallah. This can mean yes, or maybe, or I don't really know. So you must understand the context and the tone. Now repeat with me. I will learn Arabic, Inshallah. I will learn Arabic, Inshallah. I will visit an Arab country, Inshallah. I will visit an Arab country, inshallah. Very good, excellent. So today we learned how we really use inshallah in Arabic. If you like this kind of simple Arabic, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next lesson, inshallah.